Hello everyone. Sometime we are facing a problem to showing this type of review carousel in Funnelish platform. So I'll show you in this video how can you do that this type of smooth carousel in Funnelish. So let's get started. First, we can drag a new section and add on column and drag a HTML code. Sorry. Paste the HTML code. We used a Owl Carousel CDN link and some CSS and HTML for the slider item and some jQuery code. So here should be appear the logo link and the review text here. You can click Save Change and let's save it, and this is the preview. Okay, it's working. It's going very slow. If you want to increase the speed, you can just increase the speed from here. Speed the so now this is speed okay from my side. And how can we change the images? For image change, we can just drag a image in a different tab and set an image and just copy the URL from here and go to this tab and paste the image URL like this. Same for all of them. Just click and copy paste the URL. So I can paste all of the URL like this. Updated all the images link and the description are already perfect. So I can click Save Change and let's preview it again. Okay, need to wait some time. Yeah, you see it's working now. The issue is it's not full width. We need to make it full width. So just select the section and check the width. This is 100%, and we can select the inner section row. Section row width is 1170. Okay, so we can make it full width also, like 100%. Yeah. So the class is not give priority, so we can use this section ID and make it max width 100% and replace the code. Save change, and now I hope it will work perfect. Yeah, it's working perfect now. And now we can use some styling, like give some border top and bottom. Update.